Hello guys, today I have here this thing. It's really beautiful. This one is a PU leather under desk drawer from the brand Euyona. I think it's really beautiful. It's a PU. As you can see here, it's like a black color and it has like little details on here. From inside it's like this, it's like leather, so I really love it. This maybe you can use it, or I think it's perfect because sometimes in our office we have like all full the drawers, so I think it's perfect. It's a perfect the size. And you can use it maybe to put here like a stationery storage things into a new drawer. So let me show you how we can use it. Okay, we're going to put it like here, like this. Okay, this space between this one and this one, and this one, sorry, this one and this one. This space, it's going to be for the table thickness, okay? And this thing, if we move it into the right side, it's going to be, let me show you, it's going to be for having more space. So if your table it's very big, the thickness, you need to put it like this. You need to move it into the right side, okay? And if your table it's not too big, you need to move it into the left, okay? So this space, it's going to be smaller, and if you move it into the right, it's going to be bigger, the space, okay? So we're going to try it in this table. And also another thing that I don't mention, it's that it's 360, so you can move it. So let's going to try it in this table, and let's see how it works. Okay guys, so we are ready to try it. Like I already mentioned, the thickness of the table, it's going to depend on how much we need to move. So I put it like this, and I can see it also here a space. Let me show you. Okay, like here, and I can put my finger here. So we need to do it smaller. So we need to move to the left side. So we're moving to the left side. We need to do it smaller. And another thing I don't mention, it's that it's 360. So I think it's really perfect because you can hold it. Okay, let me finish. Okay, here is it. So we finish. And that's it. We can move it 360. Wow, I really love it, because maybe if you're here working and you need like some things, you can put it like this. You grab maybe your pen, your pencil, calculator, your phone, I don't know, so many things. And also you can move it in all the table, okay? You can put it, it's not necessary to put it like here, you can put it there or in another place. So I think it's perfect. For example, we're going to put these things inside, okay? And you put it there, you're working, you finished, and if you need something, you grab your things and you go and use it. So okay, and to take it off, I already take the things away that are here. And to take it off, you just need to move to the right side and continue moving, and that's it. So you finish. If you want to put it in maybe in another place or in another table, it's very simple to be moving. Thank you.